Greetings, DeWolf biology students. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. So, we have been working on cellular respiration and photosynthesis diagrams. And the project is this on Google Classroom. When we open up our slides, they look like this. And the very first slide, all you got to do is put your name, but also we're going to try to find a really good background for this. So that's your very first goal. That's as simple as going to a Google Images page and finding one that you like. So you could do something like this. Photosynthesis versus cellular respiration, and you could find something that you like. So maybe I click this one. I could copy this, go back to my slide deck, Control V, covers the slide already. What I do is right click, order, and send back. And since it already has the title on the picture, I could actually get rid of this right here. And what I can do is just put my name maybe in a corner or something. So I could insert a shape. And maybe I'll put it right here in the center. Make it a nice color that stands out, like pink. Put our name so we know who did it. So that's a nice little title slide so that we know what we're about to see. And so here are the directions slides. So we are trying to recreate this and this, and also this and this. And the last one we're trying to recreate is this. And so on slide 5, we're trying to recreate process of photosynthesis. So here's one way you could do it. Again, it's all going to be up to you and what types of things that you want to put on your slide, but I just want to show you a couple ways that it could be done. So I need a sky background and a dirt background. So I can go to Insert, I can go to Image, I can go to Search the Web, and I'm going to find sky background. And so I'm going to pick one I like. And if I double click it, it'll go straight in. And I'm going to make it fill the slide. I'm going to put this outside of the slide now that I kind of know what I'm working with, so I can have my entire slide available. And so I'll do this. I'll right click, order, send it back. And so now I'm going to find soil. So insert image, search the web. I'm going to put soil. Background, PNG. It's going to come up with some different soils. Let's go with this one. So I'll double click and it'll go in. And I'm going to resize it so it's the ground level, like so. And that should be good. Gotta cover up that sky. Okay, so now I need the flower. So again, I can go search for the flower. I'm going to look up sunflower. I'm going to put clip art. Clip art means it's like a cartoon, so you're not going to have, we're trying to avoid white background boxes that make things look not as nice. So the one that I chose in class, where is it? There it is. I'm going to use that again. Resize it, like this, and then if I wanted to find some roots for this plant, that might be something that would be fun. So I'm going to go image again, search, I'm going to put roots, maybe plant roots. You might have to find different, okay, so I'm going to look for the roots as I showed before. So I'm going to look plant roots clip art, and what I'm going to do is find some roots that are going to work. Let's see, what are some good looking roots here? Let's try this one. And I'm going to want to take some of the fill color out of this too. So I'm going to show you another trick. We're going to use the cropping tool and a remove background tool in PowerPoint. So I'm going to Control C to copy this. I'm going to open up PowerPoint, and so I'll do it from scratch. I'm going to open up PowerPoint, brand new slide. I'm going to layout to blank, I'm going to make the background darker so I can see what my background is and what's not, and then Control V to paste my picture in. And I'm going to use the cropping tool, crop out what I don't need. So all I want is the roots. So I'm going to crop to here, okay. Click the crop tool again, and then I want to take out brown background. So I'm going to remove background, and see how it's isolated some of the roots. So if I want to get the rest, I can use this pen tool, and I can click the parts that I want to keep. So there we go. And this is a good way if you find a picture with a white box around it to get the white box to disappear too. So you can just select what you want. So that's just the roots, and so I can do keep changes, and now I can do Control C, go back to my Google slide, Control V, and now I've got just the roots there that I can put underneath my plant. This one goes away, and so we're good to go on the roots. I'll just resize, put them up underneath the plant, and there we go. So the next part, I'm going to go look for a sun and a carbon dioxide atom. I'm not going to do the entire slide. I just want to give you an idea of what you could do. And then I'm going to show you some labeling as well. So let's find a sun. So once again, I'm going to look up sun and then clip art. And let's go with, this one's fine. Resize it, put it in the corner, and then we need to label it. So there's a few different ways we could label this. This picture right here, they've used like kind of chalk looking circle things to highlight. What I could do to emulate that is I can insert a shape, and so there's my shape. I can go to fill and I can go transparent. And then I can make the line thicker by going here. And I can change the color of the line by going here. And then I can type it inside the text box, like so. Or what I could do is use this website, cooltext.com, to do something a little more exciting. So maybe like this fire one, some people were using that yesterday, and I could put a sunlight. Makes sense that you use fire for sunlight. You're going to create logo, and you're going to download the logo. And it should be in your downloads folder. So that's where it goes in Chrome. Go back to my slide, insert image, upload from computer, go to downloads, and there it is. So I can put it in, and there's sunlight. So that's a couple different ways that you can do your labels. And that's it for the process of photosynthesis. So next video I'll kind of show you how you can build out this right here. That's going to be more shape related. I think we can do that with mostly shapes, and I'll show that in the next video. That's it. So I'll see you back in class.